Wagwan, yo. Good evening. What up, Raya, as well? I know you there, dog. It's 2018 and shit. It's a good evening, because I get to unbox some sneaks, yo. Alright, I'm out here. I know I'm repping that Van City T, but I'm not in Van City. I'm in Sydney, where the shipping for shoes is expensive, and none of the sneaker stores carry a size 18. It's crazy. So yeah, I got these a couple days ago. I've just been hella busy, so I haven't even had time to unbox them. But I got them off StockX, and I think I did the right thing, to be fair. I was looking at these top threes for time. You know them top threes with the red, white, and blue? You know them ones. I'm smiling because I know they're in the box. And I was like, I don't know, it was hard to tell whether they're nice. I still haven't seen them. I haven't seen nobody with them on, so I just had the cop, you know what I'm saying? And on StockX, for those of you that don't know about StockX, find out about StockX, yo. That shit is, that site is a good way to get shoes. Can be a good way to get sneaks. We're kicking 2018 off with an unboxing. Jordan 1 top 3. Yeah. Let's do this thing. Let's see how it goes. So, it's been hot in Sydney. Hella hot. I'm talking, if tomorrow hits 40 degrees Celsius, I don't know what the fuck that is in Fahrenheit. So, but if tomorrow hits 40 degrees Celsius, that probably won't be too ridiculous. Kind of maybe halfway expecting that. All right, got my box out. It's upside down. Looks like y'all got a sneak peek at that before I did. USA 18 year Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The color says black, white. Which is funny. Whoever I bought these off, ripped the retail sticker tag off. I wonder if they got real lucky and bought them cheap. Alright, so they weren't heaps cheap off StockX, but they were worth it. And they were the last pair at any price that I can find at this size anywhere online. So yeah, big up, copped at the right time. I think they were released 2016 as well. Let me flip that and not really look just yet. Let me finish talking my smack and then actually look at what's up. So alright, unboxing. Let's do this thing. Hey! Lots going on in the box, not gonna lie. Always that with StockX. They send you this certificate thing. But the shoes themselves though, they look good, fam. Hey, alright. I'll do the close-ups later, but I'm gonna look at these myself right now. The thing about seeing these online, seeing a lot of things online, is you never know. The color never really comes out what you expect it to look like, or what you thought it looked like, and neither does the shoe itself if you wear a size 18. So I'm on that's a nice looking shoe. The Jordan silhouette itself, in my opinion, my humble opinion, without any choice because I have a big foot, I feel like the silhouette looks better, larger. And these right here, they're feeling good. So this is the right sneaker. It has a red toe box, blue on the back, and it has black on the outside mid. My bad, white on the outside mid with a black tick, and black on the inside mid with a blue tick. So funny how much is going on with these kicks here. Red sole. Oh, this is so funny. All right, red sole. I'll start with the sole on the left shoe. Blue sole. This is what they look like side by side. blue toe box. The outsides are both white, so that's cool. And the insides are both black, but the ticks switch colors on the inside. That's so funny. They look like they could be completely different shoes from some of these angles. The tongue is white on the right shoe and black on the left shoe. So I knew all that, but it's funny now that I have these in front of me and I'm gonna wear these at some point, probs. That's jokes. So yeah, yo, Air Jordan top 3. So Wings logo on the side, nothing on the back. It's smooth, like the OG Jordans. It came unlaced, like all the OG Jordans. Came in the OG Jordan box. And yeah, that's the need to knows. Alright, I guess I'll talk about the quality of the leather. It's medium. The Jordan ones is hella medium, doesn't feel amazing. Tongue is not leather. And they smell good. They smell better than they feel in terms of the leather quality. Alright, yo. Unboxing complete. I'm finna do a couple close-ups and let you guys do your thing. Peace. And one love. And nothing. I got some more kicks on the way, so I'll be doing another unboxing soon. I'm trying to limit how many I cop, obviously, like we all are, but you know, still got a cop, right? Alright, happy 2018 and that. One.